Hello, this is Angie from VRAcademi, and today we're going to see what you can do with the choices in the direction button of your sprite properties. So imagine that I want my cat to walk around my screen. What I would do is I would make some code in order to tell it that I want it forever to move back and forth in my screen. If I play this code by clicking the green flag, my cat will stop at the end of my screen. So in order to make it come back again and continue walking, I will choose this option, if on edge bound. So now my cat is moving back and forth, but it's not what I wanted to do since it rotates upside down. So I want to tell it not to rotate upside down, and this I can do by going to the direction and clicking on this button which says do not rotate, or this button which says left and right. I will choose left and right because what I wanted to do is I wanted to turn left and right. So if I play it, I get this, which is what I want. If I chose the do not rotate button, what would happen would be this. My cat would be go forth and right, but without changing the side that it looks. So I hope you understood what these three buttons do. So I hope this was helpful. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.